كن سعيدا كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة لا تبالي فالمعالي بالتحدي لا سواه كن سعيدا كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة
I hate mine! I can smell the auto-tune. Oh,
Microbrews shaped with Tamkeen tree, and so every microbrew is like a Tamkeener, and they're trying to build their way up to the top. Which is the top. It's this is sugar. This is chocolate flavored. And
cake, and then there's a little bit of frosting, and then graham cracker comes, and then that's candy, and Teddy Grahams pretzel, and then that's fondant. And palm tree cake, thanky majinky.
That's basically it. So I made this Tamkeen sign and all this stuff.
so cute. Good job, Sarah.
It's like a mosque. If you guys, hopefully you guys do know what this is.
This is chocolate cake, and then this is banana bread cupcakes. When my mom would always make them when we were younger, so that was like my childhood, and Tamkeen is like our youth, so it's like, you know.
White frosting on top.
Biscuits.
Or just individual cupcakes and individual frosting. No.
See, this is what he's going to grade me on. And then once you have that completed and you have extra time, go in and meet your board. Does that make sense?
شكرا يا ربي شكرا هديت قلبي شكرا نورت دربي شكرا شكرا يا رب
شكرا يا ربي شكرا هديت قلبي شكرا نورت دربي شكرا شكرا يا رب يا منزل القرآن يا خالق الإنسان يا رب يا رحمن شكرا يا رب يا منزل القرآن يا خالق الإنسان يا رب يا رحمن شكرا يا رب
شكرا يا ربي شكرا هديت قلبي شكرا نورت دربي شكرا شكرا يا رب.
We had the older girls and the younger girls, they were being judged differently, so it's more fair. So Nayeda and Winner are going to be announcing the winners for each one.
10 through 12. So the first place is going to go. Third place is Mariam Ai.
Good job, Mariamu.
All right, second place, drum roll.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Look at me, Mariamu. Good job. What did you do, Hiba? This one?
I'll be Hiba. I'm Hiba.
Are you Hiba?
This is very serious.
That's alright. I'm having an identity.
Good job. What did you do, Jenna? MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
Can I talk? Can I talk? Okay, thank you. Okay, so third place. Can I get a drum roll, please? Okay, well, she's not here, but it was Emna, so just like.
Where is Amina's? Where is Amina's stuff?
Oh yeah, okay. This is really good.
I'm Eminem's substitute.
There. You are everyone, Yasmin.
Yeah.
Okay. Second place goes to. Can I get a better drum roll now? Like. Okay. Second place is Misk.
What did Misk do? Where? You've already eaten the cheesecake. Good job, yeah, Misk.
Okay, do you guys want to know first place or again talking? Okay, stop talking. Okay. I'll just wait. First place goes to. It goes to me, and I'm just kidding. It goes to Madam.
Where is Maram?
Okay, now say everyone else was really
Where is she?
amazing. Like, your food was great.
Where is Maram?